Alright guys, so as you can see the case look good. Alright, let me see what in the box here now. Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, your boy Dex Media. Alright, now I have a next unboxing video. I don't know, so I order something on Amazon and I go to the unboxing feed. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video, you know, because that one I go mad. Yeah man, I remember saying to subscribe. Dex Media. Alright guys, here we go. So right now I want to see something on the right hand corner here. And it's a box. You know, there's something in there. A package. So let me rip this and see what I'm going to get. So right now I'm showing what coming in the box. See it there? It's a headphone. And then put this in it to make sure it's safe. You understand? So let me read what I'm going. So this is from Soundcore, Anker, and it's a Life Q30. That's the model. You understand what I'm saying? And what they on the box here now? It's a multi-mode plus nice cancellation. So you know, so the headphone here tough. You understand what I say? Yeah. And you have features where. Alright, so you remain about the headphone here now. Just read it on the box. So it has a multi-mode nice cancellation. Plus it also come with an app. So you know, so you can tune it up. It come with an equalizer. So you can tune it up for the right settings you want. So this is very good. Big up Soundcore and big up Anker. You understand? See there, Life 30. See the people? I can't wait to test these because I watch a lot of reviews on YouTube and the reviews are very good about this. So you know, when time I edit, you know, I said that little nice there. You feel comfortable when I edit. So you know, so this is about good for me and now when I edit. I understand me kind of my little soon. I edit and I listen to my music. I love music. Music is life. Alright guys, so let me rip this out the box right now because right now I'm so excited. Alright, let's go.
No.
Oh, where should I cut? I should cut it right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. So I said brand new, straight out the box. I remember so the link will be in the description. So I'm tell you now where it come with already features. So it's a fast pairing and you can touch it for transparency mode. And it comes with fast charging, 5-minute charge, you have 4-hour playback. So you know it's a mad thing. And you have IBS, built-in mic for phone call. Yeah man, this is good. Big up Soundcore for this, you see it? Alright, let me see what in the box here. Now I'm gonna rip out the box and do the right thing.
What side?
Alright.
Wow.
Alright. Yeah, that's my little daughter people. Alright guys, so as you can see the case look good. Yeah, it come with a very nice case. So let me see what in the case. Let me smell it. Oh, smell really good. I'm really loving this so far. See the people? A little bit of neat. Wow. Quality over quantity. Alright, so you get your headphone in there. And what else it come with? And then get a little thing here with the, I guess it's the charging cable.
Wow.
Yeah, so you get your charging cable with it. So it comes with an aux cord and it also comes with this USB Type-C. So you know it's a mad thing. Alright, let me feel the comfortability. Let me see if it's comfortable around your ears. Alright, they have this inside, but I'm sure you say this is for right and this is for left. Which side of the right side again? Yeah, this side. I'm not on the right and the right side. Alright, so let me see it comfortable now. Yeah, guys, it feels so comfortable. I'm gonna test it, like turn it on and see how it's nice. But so far, it's on me and it really feels nice. Alright, let me see what's on the outside. So you have the logo right here, so Soundcore logo. And you also have your USB jack right at the corner. You have the power outlet right here, son. And you have the NC mode right here, son. Alright, so this is the touch screen part, as they say, touch for transparency. NFC mode. This touch with your Android phone. So I guess this feature won't work for me because I am an iPhone user. So who have Android, yeah, that features is good for you. So guys, I must say, after testing out these are really good. In terms of bass, this have it locked in terms of bass and everything. You understand what I'm saying? Plus you also come with an app that you can tune up your equalizer settings and everything. You see it, and Soundcore for them little settings so you can change the way. It even have nice cancellation. So you can press the button and it told you that yes, it's in nice cancellation mode or it's in a normal mode. Yeah man, people, I will highly recommend this earphone. You understand? These headphones are really good. You see it? Yeah man. Big up on yourself, and if you remember, so to subscribe. Text media. Yeah guys, so what I actually love about these the most is the fact that have a mode that you can put it in named transparency mode. So when I put in the transparency mode there, if somebody talk to me, I don't have to turn off my music. I can hear what the person is, so I can hear my surroundings. You understand? And then you have a mode where you can put it on a nice cancellation. That mode is very good. Especially when you're traveling on a bus or you're traveling on a plane. You understand? You block out all the music from the background. So I highly recommend this headphone. It is really good. And the next bonus with this headphone have the fact that it have the app where you can fix up the equalizer any way you want to fix it up. Yeah, that's a bummer for me. And it come with the own settings. It come with the Soundcore signature settings. But you can personalize it any way you feel like to personalize it. I really love this. I'm not telling you lie, it's really good. You understand what I say? Yeah man. Big up on yourself, Soundcore. I think this is the best headphone right now out there that is under $100. And this can compare to the high-end headphone now because it's all $1,000. So I'm really loving this headphone, and it's a good buy. And the link is in the description for who interested to purchase this. Yeah man, peace out.